Alright, well I just give Angus a ride on the fucking windscreen wiper. It's set up like so. And I accidentally turned it on and I think I scared him, so I'm just going to sit here for a minute and have another go at it. I'm not sure if I got it on video or not, but fuck, I hope I did, because it'll look funny. Alright, we'll be right. There you go. Hey? Is that yours? No, yeah, he's mine. Oh, right. Yeah. I'm just giving him some wind in the feathers, mate. Alright, let's go, Angus. Stay there, mate. We're good to go? Now, I promise I won't do that again. Hey, go Angus! Good boy, mate. Yeah, he's doing well, and we're doing 20 odd kilometres an hour, and he's not looking like, he's looking at me, he's spinning out a little bit. Yeah, he's getting used to it already. This bird is unreal. Check this out, rightio, corner. And that's enough. Because we're coming up to the hole. Fuck, I could, but I won't, mate. I'll nudge up to the to the intersection. And that is Angus on the windshield. And he's keen to come inside. Yes, he is. Good boy, my boy. Come on, up you come. Yeah, up you get. No, was that good? Alright, that was Justin and Angus. Angus going for a cruise in the car on the windshield, mate. In prep for the motorbike.